Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing well in your lives as I am doing super duper good. So in today's video, this is going to be a very old style chit chatty sort of video. I think the last chit chat video I did was a few months ago. So yeah, this time I am back with another video, and this time I am going to show you a makeup look. This is going to be a nude makeup look, and you guys were telling me that I have stopped making makeup videos. So I am listening to you guys, and here I am with another video. And please excuse me guys if I sweat a little bit extra, because you know I have switched off my fan, switched off my AC, and it's super hot in Delhi. It's like 43 degrees Celsius in Delhi. So you can... Now I have a bunch of products over here which I'm going to apply on my face, and with that I'm going to talk about a few things which I really wanted to talk to you guys. And it's sort of update because I think it's been quite long. It's been 2-3 months since I have done the last video, so I thought why not, let's just update you guys on what I'm thinking, what I'm doing, what I did, and what happened. So long story short karte hue, let's get started with the video. And this is going to be a nude look which you can pull off very easily in summers, winters, in any season, any damn season. So let's get started now. So let's just put my hair back, because A, it is too hot, and B, I don't want my hair to be, you know, in the way of my makeup. So I'm just going to pull it back and just pin it. So I made a video on my, you know, recent Instagram haul where I got so many hair accessories. So if you haven't watched that, you can go there and watch it. And I just want to give back a little bit hydration to my lips. So I'm using this lip gloss by Ref Cosmetics. Started with skincare first. So although I have applied niacinamide serum to my face, also applied a sunscreen. So now I will be just using a primer. I am using this Inside Cosmetics primer, so as to prime my face a little bit. Just going to use it like around my T-zone, around this area. And yeah, so guys, tell me, how are you? How are you all, and what's been up? What have you been doing all around? Just comment down below. And how is your June going on? Now, just wanted to tell you a few things which I have been worrying currently, and you know, it's on my mind currently. So I think those of you who are following me on Instagram must know that I got vaccinated recently. So I'm just going to use this Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base on high points of my face. So I got vaccinated, and if you want to, you know, want to get vaccinated soon, so you just remember that you might get a fever. Like in my case, I did get a fever, and it just lasted for 2 days. And after that also I was feeling super duper tired, and it felt so weird. I mean, I felt as if I have got corona once more, because I did get COVID in October, yes, in October. So it just brought all those memories back. But then I talked to my doctor, and they said that there isn't anything to worry, because it just happens sometimes. So once I have put this on my face, I'm just going to see if it's looking oily or, you know, greasy. So yes, it is looking greasy from here. Yes, because, you know, fan and everything is off right now. Anyways, so I'm just going to do this. And now is the trick. I'm just going to use a translucent powder first, so that my face, which is looking very sweaty right now, it just gets a set properly. It will just give me a matte finish, and it won't, my face won't bother that much. It's a little better. So I was saying that I got vaccinated, and oh my god, don't even ask how it was. It was so horrible, because I got chills, I got fever, and it was very bad. For my foundation, I'm going to use the L'Oreal 24 Hours Infallible Matte Finish Foundation, Matte Cover Foundation, and I'm in the shade 108 Caramel Beige, which I think is a little bit brighter for me. I'm not sure, so you'll see. Just going to dot it on. So yes, so it just lasted for 2 days, and after that everything was fine, everything was normal. But I was feeling a little bit under the weather even after 2 days. So yeah, just to tell you guys. And some people, they just don't get a fever or anything, but I did got fever. And I'm just going to use a beauty blender to buff it out. But I felt good after getting vaccinated, because that's what I wanted to get vaccinated soon, super duper soon. So yeah, got it. And it was a paid one, by the way, because in Delhi you don't get free one, I feel. When once that is done, I'm just going to use concealer. For concealer, I'm going to use the Sugar Smudge, the Sugar Waterproof Concealer in the shade Con Pana, and sadly this is out of stock on Sugar's website. I really love this concealer. So after the vaccination, of course I did feel good. I did feel, I would say, all the power, because I'm very happy that I got vaccinated, at least now when it is super duper needed. So yeah, I'm so glad that I did get vaccinated, and if you guys are planning, so please go ahead and get vaccinated. I don't think so there's any harm in doing that. So those of you who think that there might be any harm, so let me tell you there isn't any harm. Now moving ahead, there are a few more things which I want to tell you, that I have seen many people telling me that you talk slow, you talk very slow in the videos, and no one will watch your big videos, so make your videos smaller, make your videos shorter. And although I'm trying these days to make my videos shorter, but what I think is that these type of videos are very necessary, even though not many people watch my video. I mean, if it's very long like this one, it's going to be a long video. By the way, if you want, you can go and grab some coffee or snack, whatever you feel like. So for them, I just want to say that of course I really want to make shorter videos, but then guys, life update and chit chatty videos are a bit longer, so please bear with me. And it's okay if I don't get views on these videos that much, but at least those of you who love watching me, they will enjoy. I'm sure they will enjoy. So this video is for them only. So प्लीज डोंट टेल मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. इफ यू वांट यू कैन आप इसकी स्पीड थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा करके ही देख लो. एंड ऑल्दो मैं भी यही ट्राई करती हूँ कि मैं ना वीडियोस की स्पीड थोड़ी ज़्यादा कर दूँ, सो दैट आपको ज़्यादा ज़्यादा स्ट्रेच ना हो. आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ एल्फ कैमो कंसीलर जस्ट टू हाईलाइट अ बिट. बस यहाँ से मुझे थोड़ा सा हाईलाइट करना है, मैं ज़्यादा पूरे फेस को हाईलाइट नहीं करती. या दैट इज दैट. सो मेरे चैनल पे ऐसी ही वीडियोस आएंगी जहाँ पे आई एम टॉकिंग. एंड लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग, आई वाज सो मच इनटू नंबर्स लेटली. इट जस्ट टुक माई, मेरा जो peace hai, it just took my peace. I was feeling so sad and so down, I would say, because because of how my videos are performing, how my channel is performing, and people do subscribe you but they don't watch you, and it just becomes a really really sad thing. Because that day even one of my aunts was telling me that I don't get your video. I mean, I search for you but I don't find your video quite often in my feed. So I'll just request all of you, if you love watching my videos, so please click on that notification bell. That will really really help me. And one thing I have learned, that if I don't ask for it, no one is going to give it. So Heart Story, you can see the powder just fell off any which ways. So Heart Story, I just learned this thing hard way, that I have to ask for it. If I don't ask for it, then people will not subscribe, people will not like. So even if you have started a new channel and you think that you don't have that much of that many views, and people haven't subscribed to you, so you can also say that. You just have to appeal that subscribe and like, because that's what I have learned all these days. And also guys, I just attended one workshop. It's by Nidhi only. So I just attended one of her workshops, and let me just apply powder here. I'll just speak. I just attended one of her workshops. It was a paid workshop, by the way, and where I really wanted to know about social media and how we can grow on social media. If you don't know who Nidhi is, I think you must be knowing Nidhi Katiyar. So she has a channel and she has subscribers over 2,000k subscribers. No, I think 200k subscribers. I'm so sorry. So you can go and check out her channel if you don't know still. So she did this amazing workshop, and I think I just learned so much from her workshop, that you need to focus on your channel content and on your thumbnails. So it was a really nice session by her, and if you would want to attend such session, you can go ahead and join one of her workshops if you're a budding YouTuber, because her session was really really insightful. And now what I noticed, that when I start to do haul videos do really well on my channel. But guys, understand that I can't make haul videos always. It's very difficult for me to make haul videos always, because you have to spend a lot of money, and B, not always you can post haul videos, because you have to have some other content also. Haul videos generally they just do well on my channel. By the way, the blush which I used is by Deborah Milano, and it's a very nice nudish blush. This is in the shade Spicy. So I'm just going to apply that. Now last year also I did a nude makeup look, but you will see that so many techniques, I have changed so many techniques of mine, and now I have started doing so many different things. So now it doesn't matter that you like my longer videos, you don't like my longer videos. It's okay, like I'll do what I want to do, because that's why I started this channel. And I'm going to do a cream contour a little bit like here. So yeah, so I'll just do whatever I like, because people will never get satisfied, and many people are there who will give unsolicited advice to you. Don't get me wrong, there are a few friends like whom I met online only. They are really good. I mean, they just suggest me right thing, and I just love listening to their advices. But then there are people who will come in my comment section, and who will write that you should speak loudly, you should speak faster. So I just don't pay heed to such comments, because these are the people who will not watch your video. They'll just give their unsolicited advice and just go away. So what's the use of listening to them? I don't find any use. So if you're a new content creator, you started your channel, you started your Instagram account, so just be patient, because there are many types of people whom you will meet, and just be very careful of what you do, and what advice you take, because you don't have to listen to everyone, because that doesn't make sense, right? So yeah, that's my little tiny advice to new budding creators out there. Now let's talk about my earnings a bit, because many of you are interested in knowing my YouTube earnings and how do I manage, what's my source of income. So let me tell you, I don't know why this contour is turning patchy. Maybe because I'm using this sponge. Should have used a brush. So many of you wanted to know that how do I earn. So if you don't know, I have a full-time job. Now YouTube is not my full-time thing. This is just my, you can say, like, hobby, or I want to make this hobby into profession, but I don't get a lot of money from YouTube. So I just can't switch my profession, because I don't make a lot of money out of it. Although I do make a little bit of money, and I'll tell you, if you also want to make money out of YouTube, what you have to do. I'm now going to use the ELF bronzer. So what you can do is that first of all, we influencers, like, I don't call myself an influencer, I'll say we content creator. We earn from first the YouTube AdSense, which is 0, I would say. I mean, I just get the money in 3-4 months, sometimes 5 months also. So $100 or $150, that's it. So it's very heartbreaking to know this. It's very heartbreaking to know this, because so much of efforts we put in, but then we get so less money, and anyone will be heartbroken. So again, if you're a new YouTuber, please have patience, because anything can't be done in one day. So you have to have patience. Now guys, you see I'm sweating profusely from this area. It's so hot in Delhi, just don't even ask. So I have to switch on my AC, please excuse me. So now I was telling you that if you depend on YouTube AdSense, you're not going to make a lot of money out of it, because there are so many people who are on YouTube these days. And that's why YouTube has made this that's why YouTube has made this rule that you have to have 1000 subscribers, and you have to have this many watch time. That's why YouTube did it, because there are so many people who have started doing YouTube, and that's the reason good creators, they just generally don't stand out. I have seen that there are so many people who make such beautiful video, including myself, but still they haven't got that much of recognition, because there is so much of competition out here. So don't give in, because you have to do your thing and don't think about anything else. So one thing is YouTube AdSense, which is not that much, and the other thing is sponsorships. Again, in my case, sponsorships are very, very less. I'll do 1 or 2 sponsorship. Wobi guys, I have told you, it's very nominal. It's like 500 to 1000 rupees, that's it. I don't get more. And most of the sponsorship, most of the videos, or I would say most of the collaboration which I get are barter. So I don't get a lot of money. I don't make a lot of money out of it. And yeah, affiliate marketing is also there. So like if I tell you to use a code of mine, so if you use that code and buy something, I just get a teeny tiny amount. It's like very, very less. I mean, I can't even tell you, it's so less. So but still, if you buy something and if you use my code, I get benefited out of that. So that's how I earn, and my school salary is there, which is again not that much. So you see, I hustle a lot, and I really want to be, I really want to get settled, but I can't see on YouTube this is going to happen, quickly, because I have been working on YouTube non-stop, but I haven't seen much difference in my channel's algorithm making sense. So I'm using this Nykaa palette, and I'm using this Pro Arte AE24 brush. So I'm just going to use this brown shade on my eyelids. So I don't know, I'm not seeing myself as, you know, earning that much of money out of YouTube or Instagram. Now Instagram is another story, I'll talk about it later, I mean in some other video. I just don't want this video to be super long, but I have a feeling that this video is going to be very very long. Now so by affiliate marketing also we people earn, and if we make a video on some other apps, we people earn from there also. But let me tell you, my earning from YouTube is very very less, or you know, sponsorships or affiliate marketing is very less. I mean, if I have to live on that only, I would not have succeeded. So anytime, so I don't have, I have not decided to, you know, turn this thing into full time. Many people do it, and I also want to do it, but then I don't know, I mean, I'm not sure about it because it's too much and there isn't much money. So I'm not discouraging you know, people who have started out, but I'm just giving you a reality check, because you know, that's what is happening these days. Doesn't matter how good you are. And you know guys, this June 15, I'll complete 4 years on YouTube. Can you imagine, like 4 years on YouTube? It's like huge. And you can see my number, and I do get disheartened because my numbers are not that well, so can't do anything. ठीक है guys, जैसा है वैसा चलता है, it's okay. I will continue making videos, like ये तो कहीं नहीं जाने वाला for sure, so don't worry. इस वीडियो का बनाने का पर्पज यही था that if any of you has decided to start out your own channel, और अगर चैनल है but you know grow नहीं कर रहा है, so don't get disheartened. Now I'm using the Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base on my high point just to highlight my face like so. And guys, let me know what type of videos you guys want to watch, and I'm so sorry that I stopped, you know, making those type of videos where I used to talk about makeup. I'm very sorry, because I always felt that, you know, no one is watching my makeup videos. That's why I stopped. But now I have realized that it's okay if anyone isn't watching. It's like, do it for yourself. Why you started this channel, like why I started this channel, because I had this passion for makeup. And you know, just go and see my 4 years old video. You will notice how much I have grown from there, and people who have seen me in this journey, they also know that how much I have grown. And I'm super duper happy that, you know, I complete 4 years. Yeah, so I'm so sorry that if you feel that it's going to be a little negative, but I'm sorry. That's how I feel at this time. And now I'm going to use the e.l.f. mascara. So just going to use the mascara. I'm not going to use any false lashes today. Now what I feel is that I have grown a lot on YouTube in terms of my content, in terms of my lighting, in terms of my personality. I think so that I have grown a lot. And those of you who are with me, I'm very very thankful to you guys, because it's because of you guys that, you know, I have continued doing this. Otherwise I don't know what I would have done. I would have stopped it probably. So yeah. And you know, these days also I feel that the more videos I shoot, I just shoot very less videos, what I feel, because A, I don't get a good response, and B, I have very less time. I have time constraint, I feel, because you know, I have my school, I have household work, and so much of things are there. So it's not like a normal person. Yeah. So I think we are going to I'm just going on the end of this video. That's what I wanted to talk to you guys about, because I really wanted to you know, convey my feelings, that that's what I'm feeling these days, feeling a little bit low again because of the, you know, algorithm on YouTube. I see so many people growing here very quickly, but yeah, hoping the same for me. Just messed up a little bit here. Anyways, it was a really nice talking to you guys. I just talked my heart out, and that's what I like. So on my channel, I want to do whatever I feel like, and whatever you guys want me to do. The ones who watch my videos regularly and who are very very loyal to me. And this is e.l.f. Cosmetics lipstick. This is in the shade Cocoa. This is what it looks like. I shared it in my haul, so you can go ahead and watch that haul if you haven't. It's a really nice chocolate color lipstick, you see. So guys, either you can use this lipstick, or I'll also give you one option that is by Zanny Beauty. This is their liquid lipstick in Brown and Lovely, but I didn't use that today. I just like how this lipstick looks on my face. And lastly, I'm going to spray some setting spray on my face. This is the e.l.f. setting spray. guys, so this was about the video. I hope you guys enjoyed and you guys love my makeup look. You know what, I just love how this look has turned out, and now I'm feeling so much better because I talked to you guys, and whatever was in my heart, it just went off. And yeah, it was a really relieving session. Now if you have made it to the end of the video, make sure you leave a comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. And I'm super duper happy now. Yeah, and thank you for being with me. Hope I enjoyed watching this video. We'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care, and I love you guys a lot. Bye.